Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over and joining me here on my YouTube channel. This video will be a project share video showing you some metal cutting dies from InLoveArtShop. I have been given the opportunity to be able to choose some dies from their store for me to use in these projects that I'm going to share with you. I have also got a discount code for you if you would like to use the discount code if you're interested in purchasing these products. And I will put the links down below to each of the products that I'm going to show you. And if you like the products, just click on that link and then it will take you to their store. And when you make your purchase, you can then type in my discount coupon code, which is a 20% discount, which is great. And then you can go ahead and use the dies when you receive them. So these are some of the dies that I'm going to show you, and then you can also have an idea of what they look like. And I've also got some projects that I have made with these as well. So this is one of the first ones that I have picked out, which I really love, especially I love making embellishments, and they're great little sizes. I'll just show you. So they are quite small. You get a couple of little banner shape dies, an ornate label shape. There is also this scallop circle shape as well. There's also these two that were joined onto the set, but I had separated them. So these are the other two pieces that you get. And these dies are called Various Shape Label Decor Die Set. So that's those. And I did cut some up so you can see. And I've also done a little project as well with them. So I'm just going to show you the little ornate shape first, which is this one. And I think it's a perfect size for small projects, or you can use these on gift tags or cards. So that's these ones. So that's what they look like. And it's really pretty, and you can even layer them on top of the other as well. So you get those two. There is also the two circle shape, scalloped circle shapes, which are these two. Let's just show you the size on my hand. So there's those two. Again, you can lay them on top of one another if you like. And these ones here are the little banner shape label shapes that you could add your word sentiments to these little flag banners. And this one here is a curved one. And I like this one as well. This is another one that comes in the set. It's really, really cute. It's got a little heart. And when you run this through your cutting machine, you also get this little heart that gets punched out. But I've somehow lost it somewhere on my craft desk because it's so tiny. But I really love this shape. And you can also use this as a little tag, and you can hang like a little jump ring and then or some string. And you can add this onto a little gift packaging. So these are the little cut shapes that cut out for this set, which is a good value too, because you get quite a few. As you can see, there's quite a few dies in this one. So that's that one. And I did make a little small project with some of the shapes. I didn't use all of them, but I made an embellishment from a 3x4 journaling card. And at the back it has this, so it's just a great little spot to write something if I want to add this into a flip book. And I embellished the back of it with some little some string here, some gold string, some sequins. And then up here is one of the small flag banner shape. And then you can see over here I layered the two scallop circles, the large one and the smaller size. I raised that with some foam dot just to give more dimension. This here is that little heart banner shape that I liked. And that's the little heart that punches out. So it is very tiny. And they were the shapes that I used for this project. So that's that one. Then I also have this lovely bow die set as well. You get two bow shape to make two bows, the little tail end and the little part that you join the little bow. So it is also a small die, but I do like the size that it turned out once I've completed it, and I'll show you how it looks like. So that is how the bow looks like when you put it together. And then you also get actually 2 bows. This one has just the 1 bow. This one has the 2 bows that I put layered on top of the other, so you can see there's a difference. So that's 2 options that you can make with it. And then you have a spare one here where I didn't join it, and then you can also then just add that to another project if you like. And then, so that's that one. And that one is called the binding bow shaped die set. I have this die here, and I was looking forward to seeing what this shape would look like and how big it is. It is quite small as a little treat or gift bag, but I was quite happy with the size once I put it together. And this one is called the mini taper shaped treat box, and it's really lovely actually. And when you run it through the machine, this is what it looks like. And then it has these perforated score lines along the edge of the shape, and then you just fold them over, and then you're able to create your cute little gift box. And I'll show you the one that I've got here. So this is one of them, and then I did place another bow from the same bow set that I have here, and then I place that on the front, and I put a gold heart shape gold glitter paper at the back just to decorate it a bit more. And that's the side and that's the back. And you just open it up by just doing that, and then it opens up, and then you're able to add your little goodies in here. So there is room for small packaging goodies, some sweets, jewelry, or crafts goodies. So that's one of them. And this is another one that I made. Again, I made it with a bow, same bow set here. And it's the same. And I think these are great. These also would be great for like advent calendars too, for Christmas time, because they're nice and small. But go back to the shape. All you do is once you fold the perforated part, you just apply glue to the sides of the flap. You bring these up like that, because there's also score lines there for you to fold it up. And when you place your glue to these little side flaps, you just slide them up, and then they will join quite easily to create your cute little gift box. So it's pretty straightforward and easy to put together. And I love this. Treat box die. Probably use this quite a bit. And what else have I got? And then I also purchased. Oh, I didn't purchase actually. I picked out this this die, which is it's called a mini cloud shape cover hollow bag. So it's quite long, and it is again a packaging die. Again, it has some score lines, and you just follow the score lines when you fold it. And this is what it looks like, and that's the back. And when you run this through, this part here will get punched out to create like a cloud shape, as it says on the description of the die. And then, which is this part here that got cut out from here, I then just placed it onto the closure and created a little tag. And then when you open it up, I've got some Velcro to keep it closed. And then you just open it up, and that's where you place your package goodie. You could also add some acetate to the inside if you want to have a window covering so nothing can come out, so you can do that. You could also just glue the back of the closure if you don't want to have an opening, and then you can just have your package slide out through the side. But I made this packaging for my nephew who is having his birthday next month, so I thought I will use this to package some chocolate. These are Australian Let me take it out so you can see. These are caramello koalas. It's one of Australia's favourite chocolate. We just love them. It's got caramel inside with a koala-shaped chocolate. It's just divine. It's so yummy. But I'm going to give this to him, and I've got his initial here, which is L for his name, which is Lockie. And he's turning 10, and he's looking forward to turning 10 because he says he's into the double digits now. And then I also got this die set, and I decided to make a matching card or coordinating card to go with the little gift packaging for my nephew to go with this. And this is, I'll put it on here so you can see. You get quite a few as well in this set. So this is the dies. This one here is called the Nesting Simple Frames. I think that's what this one is called. And so you get 2 of these zigzag circle shaped dies, one smaller, one large and a small one, and then these circle nesting dies that comes with that as well. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different circle shapes to go with that as well, and you can use these on any projects, and it's just great to have an assortment of different shapes in one set. So that's those, and I created a simple card for him, and this is what it looks like. It's very hard for me to make masculine cards because I don't have a lot of colors to make for masculine cards, but I managed to find some of these paper prints, and he likes blue, so I've done that. And so these are the 2 shapes, the zigzag circle shape that I laid on top of the other, which are these 2. Then I layered the smaller circle nesting dies. I only use the 3 sizes, and I just layered them on top of one another on the bottom. And then I have a balloon punch, and I just made some balloons onto his card, and that's just blank. And then I'm going to put his name up here when I'm ready to gift his present. So that's what I've done with this project. And I also have one more die to share with you, which I love, and it's this one. It's a heart-shaped nesting die tag. I think this one's called the heart tag die set. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tag shape heart nesting dies. I love this die, and you can do so much with this die set. So many different project ideas. So this is quite a large size, and then there is a really tiny one here at the bottom. There's just so many ways you could utilize this die set. And what I've done with some of my one, I did cut a few different sizes. So this is one of the sizes, and I thought I'm just going to use this as some gift tags ready for me if I want to just add these to my packaging, and then I can just write a message on the back, the to and from. And yeah, so these would make great little gift tags. You can make them in different sizes. Then I made a mini album, or little mini flipbook album, which is this one, and I had a lot of fun decorating the cover for the flipbook album. And then I made it quite dimensional. You can see I did use some scrap paper, and then I did an accordion fold and then adhered it to the cover to give it to raise the embellishment. And I fussy cut this really lovely flower as well, and then placed that onto another smaller heart shape on the back. I'm not sure if you can see it, but at the back there is the I think it's this size, the 3rd size down. It actually goes that way. And this here is the largest size heart shape, and I'll show you the next page on what size it looks like. But I layered that, and then I placed some of these cute little bees, fussy cut the word, added some sequins, and then I attached each of the pages with a ball chain. And I've got here a flower, organza flower that I just tied to the ball chain. And I'll then place a little pom-pom on the little heart shape on that one. Then on the next page, I didn't do a lot of embellishing because I wanted to show you the actual shape of the heart. So this is the larger size heart shape. So it's fairly big. It's great because I think you can still place 2 small little photos on either side of the heart. You can also write something in the middle. You could use these pages as journaling pages where you can write your journaling if you like to do that, or use it as a Happy Mail ID, which I'll show you where I've made a pockets where you can add goodies. But this is the back part of the cover, and so I did layer it with some more different size hearts. And then up here I've got a little teeny tiny envelope with a little tag, and I just think that looks really cute there. I did place this up here because I wanted to cover the part where it has the little circle part here. So when I adhere that, I didn't want to show that little piece. So I covered that with a tiny envelope. And the larger size behind that, I just cut out I just trimmed off the little hole bit. So I just done that for that side. So that's this page. And then the next page, again, I didn't do much. I just kept it plain. I just placed a little butterfly shape from my butterfly punch. You can see you can even add photos on this side as well, or you can use this for your journaling or to write some notes. And then we go to the next page. Oh, before we go to the next page, I did place this little tassel in the middle of between the 2 pages on that ball chain, just to give it more fun and decoration to the flip book. And I like adding dangles to these flip books. I think it makes it look fun and more colourful. And we go to the last page. So I just did 4 pages for this project. So again, I left that blank, but on this side here is where I placed a little pocket, and I've got an envelope in there, and then I placed a tag with a quote, and then that's the pocket, and then I embellished the pocket as well. So this is great as well if you want to make this into a Happy Mail and make each page with a pocket. And all I've done with the to make the pocket, I use the same shape die that I made for the page, and then I just ran it through the machine, but only half, or just only enough for to make the pocket. So I didn't run the whole heart shape, I just ran a little bit of it. Or you can still run the whole heart out and then cut out the part that you want to make the pocket, so that you can decide how deep you want your pocket. So that's another option. You can do that. You could even add your pocket front and back, so you have more places to add some goodies. And I think that's another fun way to make this project. You could even use this for a Valentine's theme. You can also use it as a recipe for the recipes that you love to make. Make it a recipe album. So that is what I've done with this project as well, and making some little gift tags. So these are just my fun project shares that I've used the InLoveArtShop dies. Again, everything will be down below for you, and I do hope you enjoy these projects, and hopefully you get to purchase some of these dies as well. So thank you for joining me here on my channel, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.